This video shows how to calculate the derivative of the sum of two functions using the sum rule. We want to calculate the derivative of h, where h of x equals x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 8. Notice that h is the sum of two functions. We take f of x equal to x to the power of 3 and g of x equal to x to the power of 8, so that h becomes the sum of f and g. Then the derivative of h is the derivative of the sum of f and g. We can use the sum rule to calculate it. According to the sum rule, the derivative of the sum of f and g equals the derivative of f plus the derivative of g. Applying the sum rule splits the derivative of h into the sum of two derivatives. We now differentiate f and g using the power rule. The derivative of f is 3 times x squared, and the derivative of g is 8 times x to the power of 7. Adding these results yields the derivative of h, which is 3 times x squared plus 8 times x to the power of 7. This concludes the example. Thanks for watching.